Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Minecraft on Steam Deck. First, you will need to switch your Steam Deck into desktop mode. This allows you to access a more traditional operating system environment. Once in desktop mode, open your web browser and navigate to the official Minecraft website. Download the Minecraft launcher for Linux, which is compatible with the Steam Deck's operating system. After downloading, install the launcher, and then log in using your Microsoft account. Next, you'll want to add the Minecraft launcher to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. This integrates it seamlessly into your gaming interface. Once added, open the game's properties in Steam and navigate to the controller settings. Here, you can choose from various community-made controller layouts or craft your own custom scheme. Many players find a trackpad for mouse movement and button assignments for common actions to be very effective. To ensure a smooth experience, optimizing performance is key. Within Minecraft's video settings, reduce render distance to around 8 to 12 chunks and turn off fancy graphics. Installing performance mods such as Optifine or Sodium can significantly boost your frame rates. Additionally, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM to Minecraft through the launcher settings. This helps prevent stuttering and ensures the game runs more efficiently on your Steam Deck. If you encounter any issues, start by ensuring your Steam Deck's operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated. Many common problems can be resolved with a simple system update. Online forums and communities are excellent resources for troubleshooting specific errors. Sometimes, experimenting with different Proton compatibility layers within Steam can also resolve compatibility issues, offering a more stable gaming experience. Enjoy building and exploring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.